Welcome to Asleep at the Wheel. I am your host, Gerald. 18 cars sit quietly on the grid, engines barely breathing. Only one will remain when this is all over. You don't need to figure out who. That's not your job tonight. Your only job is to let your eyes grow heavy. The race will run without you. Gerald will watch. Settle back into wherever you are. Feel the weight of the day leaving your shoulders. The grid is patient. The cars are patient. Gerald is patient. Somewhere out there, one car will outlast the rest. But that's a long way away. And right now, the race is just beginning. And so, the first race finds its conclusion. 16 cars remain. 2 do not. Max Verstappen leads the way, calm, composed, as if he knew all along. He did know all along. Pole position awaits him, the front of the grid, the place where the view is clearest. And the pressure is heaviest. One car we watched leave, a high-S driver, nudged gently off the story by another. The second, we simply don't know. They were there, and then they weren't. Somewhere off camera, quietly, without ceremony, their race ended. Gerald didn't see it either. 16 cars remain. The grid grows smaller. A little more room between them now. A little more silence. You may be wondering who survived. That's all right. Let the question sit with you. Don't chase it. It will answer itself. For now, the next race is assembling. The engines are settling. Gerald is watching. Rest your eyes. The race will wait. Race 2. Complete. George Russell will not be joining us for race 3. Mercedes, one car lighter now. Verstappen remains at the front, unmoved, unbothered. 15 cars remain. The grid gets quieter every time. Rest easy. Gerald is watching. Race 3. Lando Norris, gone. McLaren feels it, but the story tonight belongs to Gabriele Bortoleto. A photo finish, the kind decided not by seconds, but by millimeters. He leaned into the moment, and the moment leaned back. Pole position, stolen quietly, in the night. Verstappen watches from second. Patient. He has been here before. 14 cars remain. The field is thinning. Can you feel it? Don't answer that. Just breathe. Gerald saw the whole thing. The field is moving. Carlos Sainz finds a gap. He takes it. Second place. Bortoleto holds. Quietly, firmly, and Verstappen is fading. You don't need to keep track. Gerald is keeping track. Close your eyes. The race continues. And then there were 13. Nico Hülkenberg, drifting, not forward, not sideways, back, one position, then another. The pack moving around him like water around a stone. Quietly, inevitably, he fought it. Gerald believes he fought it, but the back of the grid has a gravity all its own. And tonight, it won. 13 cars remain. The silence grows. Rest now. Verstappen is back, quietly, without announcement, the front of the grid returning to its natural order. Pierre Gasly won't see it. Alpine's night just got a little lonelier. 12 cars remain. The grid grows smaller, the gaps between them wider. Breathe. Gerald is watching. Carlos Sainz, upside down. It wasn't dramatic. One moment he was there. The next, he wasn't. Williams Racing feels it. Colapinto survives. For now, Piastri holds the front, unbothered. 11 cars remain. The track gets quieter every time. Sleep now. Someone is gone. Gerald is not entirely sure who. They were there, and then they weren't. Somewhere off camera, quietly, without ceremony. It happens. Gerald is looking into it. What we do know, Piastri, still out front, unmoved Verstappen, still finding new and creative ways to introduce himself to the finish gate. He is fine. The gate is less fine. 10 cars cars remain. Probably rest now. Isaac Hadger, going home. He came from the very back of this grid. The fastest qualifiers always have the hardest journey. Tonight, it wasn't enough. But at the front, something is stirring. Piastri and Verstappen, side by side, neither willing to yield. The kind of racing that shouldn't put anyone to sleep. And yet, here you are. Piastri holds pole position. Again, 8 cars remain. The question is getting harder to ignore. Can anyone stop him? Gerald is beginning to wonder. Rest now. The answer is coming. Charles Leclerc, spinning, not forward, not backward, just turning, slowly, as the pack moves past him like a river around a stone. He crossed the line before the wreck. The officials will note that, but it doesn't matter tonight. Ferrari is done. 7 cars remain. The silence deepens. Carlos Sainz is out. Williams Racing came so far. 2 drivers, 2 stories, both finished. 6 cars now remain, and something changes at 6. The track opens up. The cars find their rhythm. The racing gets cleaner. Breathe, you're almost asleep. Kimi Antonelli. Bortoleto crosses, and Antonelli is gone. Just like that. Mercedes came into this with 2 cars. George Russell left early. Kimi held on longer than most. But tonight belongs to someone else. 5 cars remain. Oscar Piastri has led this race for longer than anyone can remember. Gerald has noticed. Gabriele Bortoleto. Finally, he held the front for so long. Pole position, photo finishes, stolen moments at the front of the grid. Tonight, the racing bulls caught him. 4 cars remain, 2 Red Bulls, 1 Papaya. One question: can anyone stop Piastri? Liam Lawson. The racing bulls came from the very back of this grid. The fastest qualifiers, the longest journey. Lawson made it further than most dared to predict. 3 remain: Piastri, Verstappen, Lindblad. The rookie is still here. Gerald didn't expect that either. Arvid Lindblad, in reverse, flying, but in the wrong direction. The aerodynamics don't work that way. Tonight, neither did the result. The rookie fought until the very end, and that is enough. 2 remain: Oscar Piastri, Max Verstappen. One final race. You've made it this far. So have they. Close your eyes. It's almost over. Lights out. Verstappen moves first. Clean. Decisive. The way he always does. But Piastri finds the line. Holds it. Doesn't flinch. Down the straight they go. One final corner. One final moment. Verstappen closes. But not enough. Oscar Piastri, champion. 18 cars started tonight. 17 went home. 1 remained. Sleep well. Gerald will see you next time.